So in this video, we're going to be discussing what's the Pacific Patch, where is it located, how big is it, the impact, and what we can do to help our environment. The Pacific Garbage Patch is a collection of marine debris in the North Pacific Ocean. Marine debris is the litter that ends up in the ocean, seas, and other large bodies of water. Where is this located? The Great Pacific Garbage Patch, also known as the Pacific Trash Vortex, spans waters from west coast of North America to Japan. The patch is actually comprised of the Western Garbage Patch, located near Japan, and Eastern Garbage Patch, located between the United States, Hawaii, and California. These areas of spinning debris are linked together by the North Pacific subtropical convergence zone, located a few hundred kilometers north of Hawaii. This convergence zone is where warm water from the South Pacific meets up with cooler water from the Arctic. The zones act like a highway that moves debris from one patch to another. The entire Great Pacific Garbage Patch is bounded by the North Pacific subtropical gear, and ocean gear is a system of circular current formed by the Earth's wind patterns and the forces created by the rotation of the planet. The North Pacific subtropical gear is created by interactions of California, North Ecuador, Curacao, and North Pacific currents. These four currents move in a clockwise direction around an area of 20 million square kilometers, as you can see in the picture. How big is it? So the amount of debris in the Great Garbage Patch accumulates because much of it is not biodegradable. Many plastics, for instance, do not wear down. They simply break down into tinier and tinier pieces. Okay, so for many people, the idea of garbage patch conjures images of an island of trash floating on the ocean. In reality, these patches are almost entirely made up of tiny bits of plastics called microplastics. What is microplastics? So it can't always be seen by the naked eye. Even satellite imagery does not show a giant patch of garbage. The microplastics of the Great Pacific Garbage Patch can simply make the water look like a cloudy soup. The soup is intermixed with larger items such as fishing gear and shoes. There are different types of ways that plastic is dangerous for humans. Direct toxicity from plastics comes from lead, cadmium, and mercury. These toxics have also been found in many fishes in the ocean, which is very dangerous for humans. Other toxins in plastics are directly linked to cancer, birth defects, immune system problems, and childhood development issues. Other types of toxic plastics are BPA. BPA is used in many things, including plastic bottles and food packaging material. Over the time, the polymer chains of BPA breaks down and can enter the body in many ways, from drinking contaminated water to eating a fish that is exposed to the broken toxins. So what can we do to make this change is reduce, reuse, and recycle.